On this beautiful bike we have one problem, and the problem is the two-stroke tank is leaking. It's Ktm Tpi 250 6 days. So new tank is here, and this is the new tank. This is common problem on Ktm Tpis. This tank is from my bike. When it was brand new, after like 1 hour started to leaking, so I used some glue and it held it for the 50 hours, but then also started again to leaking, so I also changed it to the new version, the stronger one. And now you need to remove the tank. You don't need to remove the pipe, but if you remove, you get much more space to work here, so I'm going to remove it. So the tank is here now. You have one bolt here and second is here. The problem is you need to remove the throttle body now and put it down. You don't need to remove these engine brackets, but I remove it because I get much more space to work here. Because you need to remove the pump and it's very tight, so it's not that easy. So this is the oil pump and oil hose. This was for the ambient pressure sensor. And now you have two more bolts on this side. Just remove it. And here down is the hose what connects the tank with the oil pump, so you need to remove it. Now we have this problem. So the tank is off now. Now what you need to do is remove this sensor. So the tank is off now. This tank is broken on two sides. I'm going to show it. Here is one crack. It's not big, but it's leaking here down. And the second is here. So yeah, this is the new tank. It's same design, but it's stronger plastic. You also get this one for free. It's more easy to install with this new one because the old one is trash. And yeah, I'm going to install this new tank now. I forgot to say you need this special tool for this clamp. So I'm going to install this tank. So first what I need to do is to put the sensor back in. Now you need to put this clamp on the hose. Now put the tank on the hose. Take your some time to do this, it's not easy. It's on the hose, but check if it's fitting correct. Now use this special tool. And the tank is on the hose. So this is the hose, this is the tank. It was easy for me, but when you're doing the first time, it's not that easy. It can get hard. Connect the oil pump on this tank. The sensor is in, and yeah, then I need to connect the air pressure atmosphere sensor and then put the throttle body back. Remove this cap, so it's connected now. Now you hear this sound. It's injection oil in the system and it's bleeding the hose.